Have you ever felt that money is more than just a tool for survival? That it could actually bring you and your spouse closer together? That it could strengthen your relationship and help you live an extraordinary life together? Well, it absolutely can, but here's the thing. Most couples let money tear them apart instead of building them up and bringing them together. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to flip that script and show you how to empower your marriage and your money together to build and live a life that matters. Every single year inside of our community, we do a marriage and money workshop that is really meant to be a transformational workshop to help the couples in our community align their money with their goals, with their spouse, and ultimately use money as a tool to build and live a life that matters to them. This is a transformational workshop, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the tools and the tactics that we use to help you, no matter where you're starting from, align your money as a couple with your goals, with your values, and start to use it as a tool to build your best life. So let's dive in. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Dealey, and I'm the founder of Wealth Outside of Wall Street. On this channel, we challenge traditional financial wisdom. We teach bold strategies to help you achieve financial freedom in 10 years or less. And if that resonates with you, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on a single episode. Let me share a little bit of insight into my journey with my wife, Bethany, around becoming empowered in the conversation of money. Now, early on in our marriage, just like most couples, we didn't have very much money, and we didn't really have very many conversations with money. But over the years, as we started making more money, as we started making trade-offs to get more money, we started to have financial problems. Now, like most couples, we sat down and we tried to have discussions around money, but without realizing it, even though we were talking about money, underneath the surface, we were actually talking about each other's goals, each other's values, and we didn't realize it. This led to financial disagreements, this led to financial challenges, and this led to money being a separator rather than a uniter in our couple. Over the years, we committed to becoming more and more empowered with our money, and we figured out some simple frameworks that we can use, and we still use them today, to align our money with our goals and with our values, to give each other space and priority, to understand that each one of us has a different money personality type, which means we see money differently, we use money differently, and we give each other space and understanding, knowing that we have these paradigms that shape our beliefs around money. So inside of this video, I'm going to share with you some of the simple frameworks that we use and the frameworks that we teach inside of the Marriage and Money Workshop to hopefully empower you inside of your marriage with the money that you have. So let's dive in to the topic of conversation. Let's start off with the foundation. Money isn't just numbers in a bank account. It's your time, it's your energy, and it's a direct reflection of your values. But here's the secret. Money isn't the goal. It's simply the tool to help you build a life that you've dreamed of together with your spouse. In the workshop, we begin with a powerful exercise that we call going on a dream date. I want you to imagine you and your spouse sitting down dreaming about the next 5, 10, or 20 years of your life. And in this dream date, giving yourself the permission to look back over the last 15 or 20 years of your life and acknowledging what you would have had to have accomplished to make your life the best life it could have possibly been. Where would you have spent your time? Where would you have traveled? What adventures would you have gone on together? What businesses would you have started? What legacy would you have created? And this dream date, it gives you an opportunity to really sit down and to dream again with your spouse. These questions create a shared vision. They align your individual goals in a united purpose. That shared vision becomes your North Star, guiding every financial decision that you'll make together. Now, inside of your dream date, we invite you to document your dreams together, to really step into and live those dreams, to feel them so vividly clear that you can actually start to envision yourself becoming that dream couple. Because the only difference between what you identify in your dream date and the reality today is the two of you, you and your spouse, get to become those people together. And never let the size of your bank account limit the size of your dreams. Your dream date sets the stage. It's the North Star of where you're going as a couple. Now, once you have a clear dream established in a dream date, or a series of dream dates is even better, next we invite you to discover your money personality type. This is a game changer for couples because you see, we all have unique ways of viewing money. These views are shaped by our upbringing, our experiences, and ultimately our beliefs. And there are ultimately 4 personality types. I like to think about these 4 personality types similar to the book, The 5 Love Languages. In that amazing book, it helps couples understand how you, the individual, like to receive love and how your spouse likes to receive love. And oftentimes, our our love languages are completely different. The same goes with our money. We have different financial personality types. One of the personality types we call the warden of wealth. This individual would be disciplined, security focused, and methodical with every dollar that comes in. A warden of wealth inside of a couple would be the one that's really methodical about budgeting, about keeping things safe, about having a reserve fund. We have another personality type called the money wanderer. A money wanderer is way more flexible and easygoing, and they avoid financial conversations, and they believe there's plenty of money to come and will go inside of their life. A warden of wealth and a money wanderer have two completely different financial perspectives on what should be done with money. We have money farmer and we have a money exchanger as other personality types inside of the Marriage and Money seminar. But by understanding your unique financial personality type and your spouse's, you unlock a deeper level of empathy and communication. Instead of fighting over money, you'll learn to complement each other's strengths and address each other's blind spots. Having two completely different financial personality types is often the thing that brings people together. Opposites attract, and some of the things that you love about your spouse, once you start to deal with money in the beginning, will frustrate you because you'll wonder why your spouse doesn't see and handle money the same way you do. This will lead to disagreements. This will lead to talking past each other unless you understand and give each other permission and space to be authentically you, to be and operate inside of your unique money personality type. When you bring two money personality types to the table, it expands what's possible for you inside of your relationship. The next thing we help couples do together as it relates to their money is we help them find out a purpose with their money. Because here's the truth, money without purpose is simply chaos. It just comes and it goes, and oftentimes it creates a wake of chaos behind us. But this is where we emphasize discovering and aligning your money with your unique, authentic core values. In the workshop, you and your spouse create individual core value rings, a simple tool that identifies your top 5 personal values. Then you unite together to create a shared set of family core values. These values become your compass for how you spend, how you save, how you invest your money, and ultimately what you see money being as the purpose for you. The ultimate underlying question with every dollar that comes into your life is, what do I want my money to do for me? When you understand your big picture goals from the dream date, your unique money personality type, and your core values, now you can start to answer the question of what you want money to do for you. For example, if generosity is a shared core value, you might prioritize in your relationship giving because it's a cause that matters to you. It gives you a sense of fulfillment with the dollars that you ultimately donate. If adventure is a shared core value, you'll plan your finances to fund unforgettable experiences. Clarity around your core values is a key to having fulfillment from every dollar that comes into your life. You see, my friends, money is simply a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will never replace you as the driver. But when you understand the purpose of money in your life, every dollar that comes into your personal economy now has purpose, now has meaning, and now is a tool to help you truly build and live a life that matters for you and for your spouse together. Then finally, once we've set the foundation, we help people put together a financial GPS system. The financial GPS system is something that every couple needs. It's a roadmap that will help navigate you from where you are today to where you want to be, and all of the course corrections in the middle. Your destination is your shared vision of the future. Your starting point is a very clear picture of your current financial reality, and course corrections are the things that are going to come up every single week, month, and year inside of your personal finance. Life is crazy. It will throw at you curveballs, but given a long enough time horizon, when you have a collective framework around what money is, what you want it to do for you, and a framework for how to use it, those course corrections are helpful in giving you a sense of accountability that every dollar that's coming into your life is serving its maximum purpose in the pursuit of living your best life. And finally, one of the last pieces that we bring to the table in the Marriage and Money seminar is a conversation around true freedom. You see, freedom can actually be defined in one single word. It's a word that most people have forgotten about inside of the American culture of having more, but the word is called enough. Now, to help you understand what enough might be for you, let's talk about a concept called the fulfillment curve. The fulfillment curve teaches us that while money can improve our lives, there's a tipping point. Beyond a certain level, more money doesn't actually bring more happiness. It can actually lead to more stress, more complexity. That's why we challenge couples to define their enough. How much is enough to meet your needs, to pursue your dreams, and to live a fulfilling life? life. And when you pick that enough number doesn't have to be a permanent number. You can always revisit it and expand it or even retract it as necessary inside of your life when you're clear about where you're going and what money means to you. But having a sense of what enough is true freedom. You stop looking outside of yourself and you start looking internal to find the freedom that you're looking for. I promise you, my friends, money and happiness can be connected when you have a clear definition of what enough is for you and for your spouse. So to close this out, marriage and money are powerful when aligned. They're tools to help you rise up and live free and build an extraordinary life together. So now it's your turn. I want you to take the first step. Schedule your dream date with your spouse. Go somewhere fun. Get out of your normal routine. A change of pace plus a change of pace equals a change of perspective. And give yourself the permission to start dreaming again. Then, with that dream date clearly aligned with you and your spouse, you understand that every dollar in your life now has meaning and purpose. Every dollar is meant to help you accomplish your desired destination, that dream date. I'm going to invite you to revisit your dream date and revisit your dreams together over and over and over again. Because the more you do this, the more aligned you become with your money. And if you want any help to discover your unique money personality type or identify your core values, I want you to comment marriage and money below. I'll share with you the workbook that we use inside of our marriage and money workshop to help empower you on your journey to creating more fulfillment with money inside of your relationship. Now, if this resonates with you, my friends, do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with another couple who's also ready to transform their relationship with money. Let's rewrite the story of marriage and money together. Your extraordinary life is waiting if you're ready to rise up and take it. With